The Thrissur Thaikatmus family holds a pivotal place in the history and practice of Ayurveda, the Indian traditional medicine. With the lineage that could be traced back to centuries, they are a treasure trove of knowledge and experience in healing practices that has been passed down from generation to generation. Founded in 1920 by Ashtavaidyan Thrissur Thaikat Unnimus, SNA Oushadhasala stands as one of Kerala's premier Ayurvedic institutions. With over a century of legacy, SNA is committed to excellence in Ayurvedic medicine, clinical care, education and research. The roots of SNA trace back even further to generations of distinguished Vaidyas who served as royal physicians to the Zamarin of Kozhikode and the King of Cochin while remaining accessible to the common people. Alongside their healing practice, these scholars propagated Ayurveda through the Gurukula tradition, preserving an unbroken lineage of wisdom enriched by their own experience. Over the decades, SNA has treated distinguished personalities, including former Prime Minister Gulzarilal Nanda, Ramana Maharshi, Medha Patkar, and former President of Botswana, Festus Mogae. Today, the legacy continues under the leadership of Ashtavaidyan P.T.N. Vasudevan Moose, Chairman and Managing Director, preserving the tradition while embracing modern advancements. SNA functions through 4 core units: pre-processing, processing, sales and marketing, which form the foundation of its operations. Complementing these are the nursing home, the Unnimus Foundation and the publication division, together representing key branches of the SNA corporate tree. Our manufacturing blends ancient Ayurvedic wisdom with modern technology, producing over 400 classical formulations, 50 proprietary preparations and 25 patented products, including kashayas, arishtas, tailas, krudas, churnas, kashayam tablets and Ayur cream. All medicines are produced under the supervision of Ashtavaidyas, adhering to traditional Ayurvedic principles while meeting modern scientific standards. In 2025, SNA became the first Ayurvedic manufacturer in Kerala to receive the prestigious Z Silver certification from the MSME. The company was also honoured with the Kerala government's Industrial Safety Award in 2024. As part of its diversification, SNA has introduced Mranal, its personal care division, offering a wide range of Ayurveda-based personal care and beauty products. This brand reflects SNA's vision of bringing the essence of Ayurveda into everyday wellness and lifestyle. Our pre-processing unit at Arimbur handles raw material collection, quality testing, powdering and grinding, which are then processed under hygienic conditions. From asavas and arishtas to modern innovations like Ayur cream, SNA continually develops new generation products while maintaining the highest standards of purity, safety and efficacy. SNA reaches customers through 10 branches across Kerala and over 5,000 outlets in India. Our export division serves markets in England, France, Germany, Poland, Italy, Hungary, Slovakia, Mauritius, Malaysia, Russia and other countries with packaging tailored to meet international standards. The SNA Ayurveda Nursing Home, NABH accredited, provides holistic care with specialized departments for general medicine, ophthalmology and ENT, infertility and gynecology, pediatrics, mental health and thyroid and lifestyle diseases. All treatments are supervised by experienced panel of doctors led by the Chief Physician Ashtavaidyan P.T.N. Vasudevan Moose, following authentic Kerala Ayurvedic therapies. The Unnimus Foundation trains Ayurvedic doctors and therapists in India and abroad through collaborations with reputed international institutions. SNA partners with Ayurvedic Point, Milan, Italy, and also collaborates with Veda Education, Russia, and the European Academy of Ayurveda, Germany, to promote authentic Ayurvedic education and practice worldwide. Guided by Ashtavaidyan A.N. Narayanan Nambi, the Foundation conducts national and international seminars, CME programs, and online courses, ensuring Ayurveda thrives academically across the globe. SNA's publication division has published Yoga Manjari, Parts 1 and 2, over 10 Unnimus Dinam seminar books, and rare classical texts. Notable works include Vaidya Manorama എന്ന ചികിത്സാക്രമം, preserving Kerala Ayurveda heritage for generations. Our CEO, Mr. Sridhar Ramanathan, serves as the director of the Ayush Export Promotion Council, Ayush Excel, under the Government of India, reflecting SNA's steadfast commitment to advancing Ayurveda on a global platform. As part of our sustainability initiatives, SNA has developed a mini forest on its campus following the Miyawaki model, featuring a diverse range of Ayurvedic plants and herbs that reinforce our commitment to nature conservation. We also cultivate Ayurvedic raw materials organically, further strengthening our dedication to environmental stewardship. SNA organizes various seminars and academic programs throughout the year. Every year, December 1st is celebrated as Founders' Day, Unnimu's Day, in honor of its visionary founder. SNA's Centenary celebrations, a 3-day event titled Shadotharam, were inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, with Honorable Minister for Revenue and Housing Shri K. Rajan presiding over the function. The sessions on the following 2 days were inaugurated by Dr. Rajesh Kotecha, Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, and Dr. R. Bindu, Minister for Higher Education and Social Justice, Government of Kerala. The event featured a series of academic seminars attended by eminent doctors and distinguished Ayurvedic scholars from across the country, along with vibrant cultural programs that added color to the celebrations. Keeping pace with the digital era, SNA products are now available through e-commerce platforms. To promote Ayurveda among the younger generation, SNA produces Ayurvedic awareness videos and informative content, which are shared across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. From a legacy of over a century to a vision for the future, SNA Oushadhasala continues to lead in Ayurvedic medicine, education, and healthcare. With a commitment to sustainability, research, and global outreach, SNA remains dedicated to promoting Ayurveda, nurturing well-being, and preserving the timeless wisdom of our heritage for generations to come.